Hello guys, this is Sir Yabs. So this time, let's try laws of exponent. Okay, so number one, this is what we call applying the product rule. Okay, so when we multiply the same variable, just add the exponent. So the exponent are 4 and 3, so just add the 4 and 3, so the result is 7. So that means x raised to 4 times x raised to 3 is equal to x raised to 7. Okay, so just add the 4 and 3, so x raised to 7. So that is the application or the how to apply the product rule. Okay, number 2, so this is what we call division rule. So just subtract the exponent. So copy the variable. So take note, this is applicable when we have the same variable na i-divide. Okay, so just subtract the exponent. So copy the x, then the exponent 8 minus 5. Okay, so halimbawa si 8 nandyan sa denominator, so that means ang answer din natin is nandyan sa denominator. So the result x raised to 3, so that is the quotient rule. Okay, number 3, mayroong exponent sa loob at sa labas. So that is what we call power of a power. So yung exponent na nasa loob na 2, okay, copy the variable, then yung exponent na 2 at saka 4 i-multiply. So yan yung power of a power. So x raised to 2 times 4 is equal to x raised to 2 times 4. The result is for that is 8. So all in all, we have x raised to 8. Okay, number 4. So almost the same for the power of a power. So just distribute C2 as exponent inside. Okay, so Cx na numerator magiging x squared. Okay, because C2 magiging exponent na ni x. Then denominator, we have 2 raised to 2. So parang i-distribute lang si exponent outside. Then simplify, so x squared, denominator will become 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to 4, or 2 times 2. So the result is just x squared over 4. So that is for number 4. Okay, number 5, quantity of 2x plus 1,000 raised to 0. Okay, take note, always remember, lahat ng number or lahat ng expression na mag-raise to 0 is equal to 1. Okay? So, remember lang, lahat ng mag-exponent na 0 is equal to 1. Basta hindi lang 0 raised to 0. Okay? So, yan yung sa laws of exponent. So, number 1, we have product rule. Number 2, we have quotient rule. Number 3 and number 4, we have that is what we call power of a power. And number 5, we have zero exponent, yung tawag dyan. So, always raised to 0, the result is always equal to 1, except lang sa 0 raised to 0. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you and God bless. Please follow for more. Bye.